So you're thinking of leaving the United States. You're not feeling it so much anymore, right? Okay. So do you get an estate plan now or later? Do you wait and see what happens? Well, it all depends. So let's go through a few factors here. First of all, if you currently live in the United States and you have a house, you should technically have a trust. If you have a house in another country, that cannot be incorporated into your US trust. You have to hire a foreign attorney to handle however they do it in France, Nicaragua, wherever that property is, okay? Now, let's say that you're permanently moving to Spain. Well, if you're permanently moving there and you don't really have any assets left in your state, then you probably don't need an estate plan. If you're planning to have assets back and forth, you might still need something here. But again, if your primary residence is in Spain, you really need to figure out what the Spanish laws are regarding this and take those measures over there. So it's really a matter of where are you a resident. If you're just planning to live abroad for a little while, that's one thing. But if you're actually planning to move out of the United States and stay there for as long as you are aware for the rest of your life, then you need an estate plan probably over there and maybe not over here. Now, considering the turmoil in our country right now, you might have an idea of, hey, I want to leave for a while, but I don't know how long. And I might go back and forth. I don't know what the future holds. Well, then again, you have to talk to somebody so that you can figure out the best plan for you. I can't advise on that situation because if you don't know, I don't know. What I can tell you is that if you're going to maintain, let's say, your California house and rent it out for a few years, then you're going to need a California trust. And then again, as you establish residency somewhere else, and as you make that plan to maybe stay there longer and longer term, then maybe you make another plan. It kind of sucks sometimes when you pay for something that you maybe don't end up needing, but you never know when you're going to need it. You don't know when you're going to pass away. So you can't really bet on, I'll just survive. The whole point is, if you need it, it's too late to get it. So you got to get it before you need it. So if you're going to be in California for a while, if you're going to be in the United States for a while, get your estate plan here and then figure it out after that.